Hi everyone, welcome back to today's puzzles. So let's get started with the Hoshi. It's a pretty easy one, 215 average. Okay, so we've got some of these little regions. Now this one, and this. Okay, now this brown. Boom. Okay. What else? Okay, this row, we need 2 in there. Boom. Okay. Can't be there. Okay, there we go. And it's gonna be not there. So there. Alright, got a little stuck at the end, but still pretty good. Now on to the Tango. It's another pretty easy one. Okay. Boom. Alright, nice. 45 seconds. Okay, and we've got a hard Guriddo, 22-minute average. Guriddo yesterday was also very hard. Okay. So this probably can't be a 4. Yeah, because there wouldn't be enough space for this. Okay, 2, 4 here. And we need a 6 in one of these two, because otherwise there wouldn't be enough space for the 2. And this can't be a 4. Okay. So these guys are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I don't think we can figure that out yet. Not quite yet. What is this? This is going to have to be an 8, 9, right? Yeah, so this has to be 8, 9. And then I think this could be either a 7 or 9. Yeah. Okay. What else have we got? I wonder what these are going to be. This could be an... it's surely going to be on the high end, right? Well, I guess it Yeah. So this has to be 7, 8, 9 here. Okay, I'll just put it in. This. Well, who knows? How about these? I guess these are actually somewhat restricted. Because there can't be a 4. Can there be a 3? If there are 3, then it'd be 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is going to be 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this has to be a 2 then. And then this has to be a 3. This also can't be a 3 because this is on the high end. So this has to be a 3. This has to be a 5. You also need a 4 in one of these spots. It can only be there. Now, 5, 6. 5, 6. Okay. Do we need a 2 in here? Okay, well this also has to be 8, 9, I guess. I might as well just put that in there. Can we go without a 2? Surely we can't. Could be 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we need a 2. The 2 has to be here. We also need a 5. The 5 has to be here. Okay, then we need a 3. This can either be a 1 or a 6. Okay, now I'm slightly concerned that there's an error. Because it seems like 1 and 6 are identical. Okay, I must have made an error. Right. Okay, where is there? Okay, do we need a 2? We definitely need a 2. Okay, 2. Then we need a 4 or a 5. 6. 3. Okay, I'm gonna... Okay, sorry about this. It's just such a pain to go back and figure out where the mistake was. But I know that there had to be a mistake because putting a 1 or a 6, I think, was indistinguishable. And we know there's a unique solution, so that means that there was a mistake, I believe. Okay. Okay, so mistake was here. Three. So my idea was that there needs to be a 2. Oh, but this could be 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Oh, there definitely doesn't need to be a 2. Wait, what? Ah, this could be on the high end. Oh, so this has to be 6, 7. Ah, that is tricky. Okay. Okay, I see. Alright, so in that case, what do we have? This is going to be on the upper end. So it's going to be 8, 9, or 7, 8. Okay, so that means that has to be an 8. Oh. Is this right? Now I'm doubting myself. 7, 8. Yeah, I think this is true. All right. Then we can probably get away with using uniqueness here. I'm not going to do it. Oh yeah, this is going to be an 8, 9. That's right. 8, 9, 8, 9. So this is 7, 9. Either way, this has to be an 8, 9. And once again, this is almost certainly going to be a 9. Oh, wait. Okay, let's actually try to use one of these. So, there's no way that a 9 could intersect with anything else. What this means is that there needs to be a 7 either here or here. But either of those is possible. What about the uniqueness condition here? So that means we need a 7 either here or here. Oh, wait. Here. Could be a 7 here. Okay, yeah, we don't know. This is probably going to be a 5 or a 7. Oops. Yeah, this is a 5 or 7. little bit confused. This can't be an 8, 9. Alright, so in this row, there's no 8, 9. Which means what? Okay, we might can figure out what is going on with this row. Because we can't have any 5s here or here either. So the 5, if this were a 5, this can't be a 5. So the 5 has to be over here. And we need room for a twofer. So, okay, this could be anything, really. Five. Well, it does mean that this has to be on the lower side. So we need to have a 2. So this could be like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is going to be, well, this can't be 1, 2, 3. That means this, well, it can't be a 6. It can't be a 4. Could it be a 3? Yeah, I guess it could be a 3 or a 1. Oh, which means this has to be a 4. This is going to be 3 or 5. Or 5. And this still sort of has a lot of options. Okay. Let's ignore that. Oh, do we need a 4 here? 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, we do need a 4. Which means it's got to be there. So now 1, 3, 1, 3. Alrighty. And then this were a 3. I don't think we can say about that. We also need a 4 in here. So this is 2, 3. Now, do we need a 5 in this row? I guess it could be 1, 2. Oof. Yeah, this could just be 1, 2 as well. That is a shame. What could this be now? This could definitely be a 1. Okay. Still too many options. This is either 2 or 4. Okay. Oh, do we need a 3 here? This can't be a 3. Or actually, maybe it can be. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, never mind. Oh, why didn't I think about this big row? Okay, the 8. This could be an 8. Or this could be an 8. For the 9s, it's probably going to be similar. Yeah. Okay, so that's an 8, 9. What about the 7s? No 7, no 7, no 7. Could this be a 7? Okay, so one of these two have to be 7. Maybe even 6s? No, 6s are... Can this be a 7? If this were 7, this would be 4, 5, 6. This is 5, 4, 2. Okay, well now we might as well just finish it off. See. So this is, oops, 5, 4, 5, 4. Okay. So this is 2, 1. But in fact, can't be a 1. Because that 8, 9. Likewise, this can't be a 9. Oh. Okay, to be honest, I probably didn't even need to guess. I could have used that reasoning, so. This is either a 1 or a 5. So we need a 3. It's got to be there. We also need a 4. 5. 5. This is also 1, 5. We need a 4, 1, then 6, 7, 7, 6, 9. Now here we need 1, 2, 5. So this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 5. This is a 2. So 1, 3, 1. What am I talking about? 5. 1, 2, 1. Then 3, 5. 3, 5, 6. Alright, nice. That was a tough one. I got messed up a little bit by that tricky part, but pretty solid. Okay, now this one. So boom, boom. Okay. Let's just guess there. Right, nice. And the Tawa. Pretty average difficulty. 4 minute. Then this has got to be a 4. The other 4 up here can only be boom. Other 4s. 4. Okay, this 4 has to be here. So here, here. Alrighty. And this has to be a 3 or a 2. This has to be descending. Oh. This can't be a 5. What am I doing? So it's got to be the 5s are like this. That was silly. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. This has to be ascending. So this can't be a 3. So this has to be a 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. This also can't be a 1. It's got to be 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. This can't be a 3 either, so it's got to be 3. Oops. 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. All right, 3 minutes on the dot. Good round of puzzles. See you guys next time.